Hey everyone, this is Shanna from the Steel Club. I'm gonna show you how to make my Boeing Blackberry Fizz. For this drink, you're gonna need aviation gin, of course, freshly squeezed lemon juice, sugar, blackberries, and Prosecco. Start by cutting a lemon in half and squeezing half a lemon's worth of juice into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 5 blackberries, and then muddle real good. If you don't have a muddler, you can use the handle of a wooden spoon or a hammer. Just kidding. Add 2 ounces of aviation gin. Add ice, and then shake it up real good. If you don't have a shaker, you can just toss it back and forth between a couple of glasses. Then strain into a coupe glass or a martini glass. If you don't have a bar strainer, you can use any mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Then top with 2 ounces of Prosecco. Garnish with a couple of fresh blackberries. And enjoy. Cheers, everyone. We hope to see you again real soon.